What's going on, everyone? Crypto Bubble Club here, bringing you a new video. I'm going to talk about something very special, what just happened in just several hours. Litecoin just popped 16%, shooting up to $180 from just $159. For those of you that watched the last video, you'll know that yesterday I gave you a link to an article talking about Litepay and how that can improve the entire scope of the market. And I was talking about how all of that is going to trend upwards, and long behold, today it's already shot up 16%. And if you're interested in this, you can go to the Litepay website and learn more about it. I'll leave you guys a link down below. And there's so much interesting news happening in the cryptocurrency space now as a whole. The entire market is trending upwards to the green motion. And if you notice, there's a lot of resistance built up so that there isn't a decline in the prices either. Of course, guys, I'm not a professional advisor of any sorts. This is all just opinionated from what I'm seeing and the facts that I'm coming across the banks and everybody else talking. And you can see in the charts itself that they're reaching higher highs and they're reaching higher lows, and the momentum pushes upwards. And obviously, Litecoin, with all the hype surrounding it, absolute breakout. The others are sure to follow. That brings me to Bitcoin really quick, guys. I want to also just show you guys the potential over here. You can see Bitcoin. I'm just looking at a 7-day chart. It's, again, it goes down and then right back up a little bit higher than before, and then down, right back up higher than it was before, and it's down, it's still higher than the previous down before it. Then again, it does the same thing, so it's trending upwards. You see, this is a correction. People are taking profits, obviously, but look, it's doing that same motion again. Now, this one reached a little bit lower than the previous, so is this going to push upwards? And, you know, that's the main question. Are we going to be able to capitalize on this? And then here we are at Ethereum. You see, again, low, high, low, high, low, lower. I mean, it's a higher low than here. Sorry, I keep saying high, low like a dummy, but you kind of should understand what I'm saying in terms of this. And it's a slow trend upwards in the week pattern. All of those big coins prices are starting to, and I said big coins, not bitcoins, prices are starting to trend upwards. Market capitalizations increasing, yet 24-hour trade volumes are decreasing. What that leads me to believe, it's what's happening is that people are trying to buy these coins and people are trying to sell these coins, but the prices aren't aligning. They're always a little bit different because people are selling it for a little bit more than it's worth, or at the time, and people are trying to buy it for a little bit under what they want to sell it for, you know, obviously, but people are wanting to sell it for higher prices. People are wanting to buy it for higher prices, and that's just trending upwards. And every single so often, you're going to see a little correction, dipping, people taking profits, making those day trades happen, but overall, the market is seeming very, very trendy upwards. Look at that. I'll throw that in there just to support this claim even more. JP Morgan proclaims Bitcoin ETFs are the holy grail. Obviously, this means that there's going to be a lot more people and some serious money going into this cryptocurrency market. And what happens when serious money goes into any market? It's going to go on a huge upspree. And as soon as the banks get on board, you guys, as soon as the banks are lifting the bans on buying cryptocurrencies with, you know, the bank's money, loans, however you want to do it, it's going to absolutely explode again, because this time we're gonna come back. Not only are we coming back, but we're coming back with full approvals, full acceptance. It's like that kid that got kicked out of home being accepted back because he just graduated from Harvard. Like, we're getting approved from all the banks. It's gonna go heavy, and this time it's not gonna be like a FUD anymore. It's not going to be FOMO anymore. Everything is going to be laid out there flat for these people, for everyone to know that this is out there, this is happening, and it's going nowhere. And how could I not show you guys the overall market cap for the past 7 days? You can see it clear as daylight. It is absolutely trending upwards, and we're going to continue seeing that motion. I really do think so. Let's look at the whole month, and look, you know, we gained so much money just the previous months. We gained so much momentum that it corrected itself, and all the hype kind of died away, and it's going to keep building, because now, once again, it's not only going to come back, it's going to come back with vengeance, with real vengeance. I'm going to leave you guys and end this video with this note. It's so interesting. The Winter Olympics is being hosted in South Korea, right? And as we all know, there's been so much FUD around South Korea banning cryptocurrencies and all this stuff. But you look at CNBC and you'll see an actual segment that they do that they're in South Korea. And they talk about how the exchanges and just the usage case all overall in South Korea is so much more advanced than anywhere else in the world when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And once again, like I said, I have this huge thing in my gut feeling that all of this FUD lies around the individuals that are trying to break the prices down because they know how important it is themselves and they want to get in at a much lower price because that's more profit over on the long run, especially if Bitcoin and these other coins are able to take over the value of gold, which is what, $7 or $8 trillion. So, guys, have a great day. Enjoy, invest your money wisely. Listen, don't just take what I say for word. Do your own research and don't lose all your money, okay? Peace out, guys. Oh, by the way, thank you so much for all the support you're showing. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and like it. If you can, share it. It does help us. And subscribe, obviously, right? Hit me up on Twitter as well. I'll talk to you guys there. Peace out.